Good morning, world. Oh, it looks like the sun's trying to come out a bit. Stop it. Oh, it looks beautiful, Luke. We're going for a little kayaking adventure hopefully today. We didn't pre-book any kayaks or anything, so hopefully we can get some. But it did rain last night and this is the first we've looked outside, so at least there's some sun. Yeah, it looks like it could be quite nice. Coffee's on. Cleaning started.
What's a brekkie, Jen? Jen doesn't like cereal.
I don't not like cereal, I just prefer bread.
Fair enough.
Cute. Fuck. Welcome to Corinna. So we just talked to the lady at reception and they're not doing kayaks today because she doesn't have enough staff. So plan for today is to go do this walk.
300 meters.
This short 300-meter stroll. And then we will kind of just chill out, do a bit of editing. We'll go sit in the pub, have a beer, do some more editing. We've got things to do,
Yeah,
so
we've got a lot to catch up on.
we'll just have a cruisy day. And then she said we can come back tomorrow. And we booked a canoe, so we're gonna go canoe tomorrow instead.
That should be good. I'm not gonna watch you fall.
That's a bit wet to sit on.
Pretty good.
We're back. Pretty little walk. If you're here, you may as well do it. It was nice. Through the trees. Now we're back, just doing a little bit of editing before the pub opens.
Yes.
Woo! We got an hour to go.
Yeah, treating ourselves to a little beer moment. Here we go. The Seven Sheds, which is a hoppy golden ale made in Aussie. This one is another Aussie beer. If you see this one in the liquor store, get it. It's brilliant. It's very nice. 6.8%.
Luke and I just realized today's March 18th, and then we were like, oh, when did we get to Australia? And we went back and looked at videos, and we were boarding the plane March 18th. So today marks 1 year. Cheers to 1 year.
Awesome.
And back to camp we go. Trying to get there early enough to get the same spot we had last night because we reckon it was one of the best ones there. It was the perfect space to not have anyone around you.
Yeah.
So. Luke and I just went out and gathered up some wood in the forest so we can have a little fire. And this will be a little fire for the night. Look how cute it is. So pretty. Saw lots of smoke from other people having fires out here last night. We were so jealous. So we've stepped it up for tonight. Hi, Luke.
Yeah. Pre-frying up some onions for tomorrow's canoe trip.
Good done.
There you go. The Queen fire maker herself. This one's got 99 fire making.
What does that mean? Is that some video game bullshit?
Only a few people would know.
So I'm right.
Got some visitors tonight. It's all good, at least they're not caravans. Made some room, so we're all good. We are running out of gas. This is
Once
on
again.
full whack.
Happened to our spaghetti meatballs last time.
Look at that.
It's a curse. It did, remember?
But hopefully we can refill tomorrow in Zeehan. We're not sure how big of a town it is, so potentially not as well. but we'll see.
We have the hiking stove still.
Yeah, so we can always still cook. Yeah.
Oh. Good morning, world. Coffee, ready to go. We're gonna do it on this day, obviously, because we ran out of gas. And then these are our bags. We got a food bag packed for today and a camera bag packed for today. And we'll be off to go kayaking, eh, Luke?
Yeah.
Snap, crackle, pop, bitches. What you got? We are here. It is looking like a bright sunny day. It's amazing. What we think, Luke? It's stunning.
Get us there, Jen.
Row me!
Any kayaking.
Row me! Ow! Fish! A fish just jumped.
Shark.
Fish! Maybe it is a shark. Can they come this high up? Oh god, I'm a bit too close to the water to be thinking these thoughts.
Check out this little spot. Looks like people use this as a camping spot. Some chairs. Yeah, before we found out that we couldn't take a kayak overnight, which sucks, we were going to camp here. But we'll go check it out and have a look. Oh, yay. Whee! Campsite already set up.
Nice little table and chairs. Should have brought lunch after all.
Jen loves sunken logs.
Yeah, that's a little sus. Oh my god, the sticks when it catch my attention under the water, give me a little bit of heart palpitations. Oh god, there's one right there.
You alright, Jen? So Jen doesn't like sticks and logs underneath water.
I'm gonna go over. Oh, it feels sick.
Look how magical it is there. Do you want to film and let me carry on?
I just don't look down, it's okay. That little thing sticking out there. Oh god.
I did not think we'd be able to come this far.
Oh god. Alright, Luke, you might need to pedal and I'll film.
Okay, you go. We probably won't be able to go further than what's up there.
Oh yeah. I actually am conquering some fears right now and you don't even know.
I know you're going so well. Do you reckon we can get through that?
No. They didn't tell us about this little pocket of paradise, so we're definitely in a no-row zone.
No row zone.
But it's absolutely magical. Hey Luke.
Yeah.
Absolutely magical. It's a bit scary in places
Yeah, explain why.
because I don't like underwater logs. So I just have to keep looking up and then it's beautiful. Focus on the reflections and not what's actually under there. I started rowing first, but Luke's taken over for us now. But enough about me. Look at this view. Oof, lots of things under now. Oh god, Luke, there's a lot. You just can't dump us here.
No, I think I should stop.
No, go back now. You're gonna hit us over it again. Yeah, you're going right for it. Ah.
Oh,
You made
like
it.
a beast.
Oh, my neck hurts. Just stick over there. And sticks here.
Stop.
They told me to look.
Oh, yeah, I can tell you. Oh, you're conquering some fears then, too.
Oh my gosh, it's really stressful. Got a good little glide on. There's a few tears now. It got a bit scary. I'm trying to catch. Can't breathe.
Are you having a panic?
I actually can't breathe.
You alright, Jen? It's okay, it's okay. We're getting you out of here. We're getting you out of here.
Okay. It's just because I was laying back so I can breathe. It got a bit loggy, and so I got a bit afraid. But it's so annoying. Oh, there's a big one there. Big log. Oh, it's so annoying because it's so beautiful. And it's such a stupid fear again. Why am I like this? Oh, there's another big one. We're going over it. Oh god. Alright, enough of my ugly mug. You guys can appreciate the view, and I'll just sit here in silence. Oh god, look out for that. Oh god. So brave for paddling through this wonderland.
Yeah, that's magical.
Oh my gosh. It's absolutely beautiful. It's just, I'm so silly. Hopefully you guys can get through this much better than I can, because it's amazing. I'm just such a freak.
I got the right way. I can't see that.
Yeah, we have to go under this, but you're taking us through the narrow side. Tilt your head the other direction as me. That's the same direction.
Oh, I'm gonna behead myself. Oh.
I steered us so much better, Luke. Oh gosh. Alright. Oh, we made it.
You did great. I can't believe you made it all the way there with no tears and no panic.
I was trying so hard. It's such a silly thing because it feels like you should be able to just change your eye direction. Like you should be able to just keep your eyes above instead of trying to look under. But I think just because I'm so afraid of it, I can't help but look. It's kind of like when you're driving on the highway and you see roadkill in the distance and you try not to look, but you always look and it's always a mistake.
You go, don't look, Jenica, don't look, Jenica. Ah.
That's exactly what it's like. So I just like couldn't stop looking, and that stressed me out. And I don't know what it is. I think it just feels like there's bodies or there's like things lurking under coming to get me. I don't know. I don't really know how to describe it, but welcome to the life of Jenica. Fears of all the dumb things. It is too. We were looking so hard and it's right there. I don't know if the camera. Oh yeah. So you can see it's just on its side. I don't know how I pictured it. Not on its side. Right. Well, now that we've gotten ourselves familiar with the area and what to do, we popped back into Corinna. I went to the loo and then grabbed our lunch stuff. So now we have our lunch stuff and we're gonna have a little lakeside? Lake? It's a river. We're gonna have a little river kayak picnic, which will be very lovely. Just making a little gnocchi lunchy lunch in the middle of the river because why not? What do you reckon? Best restaurant in the world?
One of, for sure. There ain't no mountains up, but it's gorgeous.
Clink!
Yeah, how good. Beautiful view. Beautiful spot.
The wind's picked up a bit, but it's still stunning.
All done. All packed up, ready to get back. And then get back on the road.
We're almost back. Luke took the worst photos of me ever in the spot that I wanted really good photos as well.
It was an accident. I clicked the setting over by accident. It's macro and I didn't know.
So if you're expecting good photos via the Insta, don't. Luke took them. I think the reason I'm this knackered is because I did most of the paddling this morning.
Oh, lies.
We brought back all the kayaks and all the stuff, and now we've just purchased our little barge pass, and we'll get ourselves organized. Fat man. Fat man barge pass. I just saw that. That's funny. But yeah, get organized and then we'll get in line.